Learn English vocabulary. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is a place you can go swimming beside the ocean. Number two, this one. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The beach is beautiful. The beach is beautiful. Beach. An area beside the water, sometimes with sand. Now we can make a flashcard for beach. One beach. Two beaches. Please make a card like this. Write beach up here in the top left corner. B-E-A-C-H. Down here in this corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here in the bottom corner, 15 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. Beach. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob claps every day. Bob claps every day. Claps. He puts his hands together quickly in order to make a noise. Now we can make a flashcard for clap. The ED and ING form have double P. Please make a flashcard like this. Up here in the top left corner, to clap. C-L-A-P. Down here in this corner, V1. This means verb, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 12 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red one is the sound in cat, dog and cat. Clap, clap. Game over. You did very well today. Number one, we learned a place to go swimming, sometimes with sand. The beach. Very nice. And what am I doing? You are clapping. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number one, do you know it? It's hard. The missing letter is an A. This is something you have after you burn something. Number two, irregular verb. Yes, like go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Number three, the missing letter is an L. Do you know what that means? My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.